In this video, I'll walk you through how to log into Salesforce step by step so you can access your dashboard quickly and securely. Start by opening your browser and typing salesforce.com directly into the address bar instead of relying on random search links, and confirm the URL shows a secure connection. Click Login in the top corner, then choose the standard Salesforce login option if your organization uses it. Enter your username and password carefully, watching for caps lock or extra spaces, since credentials are case sensitive. If enabled, you may be prompted for two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security through a verification code. Some organizations also use single sign-on, meaning you'll log in through your company's identity provider instead. Once signed in, you'll land on your Lightning dashboard where apps and records are accessible from the navigation bar. Always log out on shared devices and protect your credentials. Subscribe for more simple Salesforce walkthroughs.